This was a UAN site. We were looking for expanded capacity of storing plant nutrition product. And then we took it a step further, started thinking about ways to become more efficient in our division and being able to send these products out to the farm mixed and ready to go. And then even went further than that and started thinking about our fungicide business and the nutritionals to go with that. This site is plant nutrition only and plant health. While we have many plants, this is the only one like this that we don't have herbicides, we don't have seed. We've got 8 nutritional tanks that are inside the building, 8 big nutritional tanks outside, and then we've got an ATS and a UAN tank outside, and then we have 4 chemical tanks in the building. FarmChem did a good job of explaining to us the different options and how to arrange the tanks and make the most use out of the space, and really thought of a lot of things that I hadn't thought about. I didn't know what a yardney filter was when we started this project, but Jim Self set us up with tanks that I told him that we're going to have black label zinc in them. He made sure that there were yardney filters.
Jim and those guys, anytime I've had a problem, he answers for me and, he's made his trip here many a times over things that I've needed help with.
FarmChem also worked very well with KSi to set up the auto bulk system.
This place is just absolutely unreal. You're basically looking at about 10 minutes a truck. By the time they get in here, hook up, stuff like that, so maybe 12 or 13.
We have 20 retail locations that serve directly to the customer that'll be pulling product from here. And then we have a distribution center for packaged materials and bulk herbicides. We'll repack some of the nutritional products here.
You have your valve in that hanger and you never have to touch it once it's open. And once you set up the program, all I have to do in between totes is just hit the resume button. That's all it is to it. It takes a couple minutes normally to fill a tote.
So we had an existing rail spur here, and that's a big part of why we chose this site. We're set up to do 12 cars. We can do them without even moving the cars.
Every rail car, you go through a touch screen in there. It opens all the valves all the way to the tanks. The only valves you're opening by hand is actually the ones out on the rail, because you have to do that. From there to my 24/7 bay is fully automated, and then here's fully automated.
This thing's all about efficiency. Getting K into the plant as efficiently as possible is partly to do with this facility, partly to do with the science behind the product.
I think this was going to be a turning point for a lot of people in the industry. We're leading it, and everybody's going to follow this. I really believe they are. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the future to see how far this goes.